Okay, guys. This was a $69 million target on this asset right here, the Heights Collection. Number one urban market in the largest apartment market in the world, and we are that close to being done. We're waiting for $2.5 million to hit. So I want to congratulate all our investors for investing in one of the greatest assets I've ever purchased in my life, the Heights Collection. This is a Class A location, Class A building, Class A tenants, probably the best urban location in the city of Houston. Houston's one of the largest apartment markets in the country. This has a beautiful pool deck, massive pool deck overlooking one of the top 3-4 cities in America, maybe in the world. This location at the sister property is a walk score, probably 97, 98. Literally walk out, get a haircut, walk out, get a burger, walk out, get a beer, walk out, like do anything you want in the Heights. If you live in Houston, Texas, you know where the Heights are. Great earners, great tenants, great location, just a superior product. So we're just waiting right now for the last monies to come in on this. Congratulations. Thank you so much for trusting me. It's a $69.1 million raise, bought $180 million worth of real estate. Location is unbelievable. You guys are going to love this. Your families are going to love it. How are we doing, guys?
Hey,
come on, man.
We just had a hit, actually.
Okay.
It's oversubscribed.
Okay.
We're a couple of down.
Huh?
We're out. We're oversubscribed.
Okay, so quit sending money on this deal. Quit sending money on this deal because we got there. We're there. So that's what happens, okay? Here, these guys are on the phone every day answering your phone calls. The number's 305-407-0276. If you've missed one of my deals, we have 10,000 units. This puts me over 10,000 right here, right? Puts me over 10,000 units. I got this massive bottle of wine that I'm gonna drink when I finally hit this big target. And look, my initial target in my life has been to work hard and invest in assets that provide me with passive income, that protect my capital, provide me with tax write-offs, passive income, and mostly to not be in fear about my money. These assets that we're buying today, like this Heights Collection, you can't destroy it. You can't get rid of it. You can't burn it down. You can't earthquake it. You can't hurricane it. It's going to be there. These properties and all the other properties that I bought. Look at this. We bought this last year, Altis Boca, $165 million asset. Our Bass property in Fort Lauderdale. We're making a big bets on Fort Lauderdale, Miami, and Houston. That deal was $108 million during COVID. We bought it distressed for $98 million, a great deal. This property right here, I just closed on this. This is in Boca Raton, 230 units. I wanted this so bad. It was a quick close, distressed sale, off market. I wrote a check for $69 million for that property. So stay tuned, 305-407-0276. If you guys are 35 years old, 45 years old, 55, 65, even 75 years old, I'm telling you, get your money out of the market. Quit gambling, okay? The ETFs are a gamble. Listen, the ETFs are a gamble. You think they're safe, but they're not. The mutual funds are at risk. You think they're safe, but I'm telling you they're not. What's safe is real assets. And I will continue to bring you great assets because that's what successful people do. Successful, full of success. And speaking of full of success, how do you celebrate success? Follow up the last great deal with another great deal. I want to introduce you to a Las Olas walk, okay? This property has got a 98 walk score, 8-story concrete building, subterranean parking in one of the best locations. In fact, it's a AAA location. Let me just show you this. Maybe we go to the computer, Johnny. So I'm introducing you now to probably, well, number one, it'll be the number one or number two biggest deal in South Florida. I'm so proud to have be able to close this deal and tell you about it. Look at this, man. This is what we just bought, folks. Welcome to 10X Las Olas Walk. This thing has got a 98 walk score. You literally walk out 456 units in the heart, AAA location, downtown Fort Lauderdale's only mid-rise, all concrete block, glass, wood, top builder and designer. This is the single best asset I've ever bought in my career, and I have bought some unbelievable ones. We won this deal over a group that if I mention their name right now, you'd be like, hey, you just beat out the biggest financial institution in the world. And we did that because we move fast, we do our due diligence, and I put my money where my mouth is. I put my money on the table and say, here, I'm ready to go hard. I know this asset, I know this tenant, I know this location, and I'm willing to make this bet. Look at this. The gym is on the street. We've never had one of these before. You literally watch hundreds of thousands of cars passing by. We got kayak exercising. We have Peloton bikes. We have the largest infinity pool deck in all of South Florida. This thing is just absolutely amazing. We have a tenant that only 15.6% of their income goes to rent, which is a very, very good indicator. You can see the lifestyle here. There's a lifestyle property, residents that are gonna be proud to take care of the property. It's a tremendous investment, folks, one of a kind. Make sure your family gets their money invested in this property. You have to be an accredited investor at this time. Minimum is $250,000 unless you've invested with us. We have a special deal for those of you who have $10 million or more. So if you're liquid at 10 million or more, let us know. We have a dog spa on the property. We have grocery, remote grocery store, on-site marketplace, workspace that people can pay for, provides extra revenue for the property. This thing is just absolutely stunning. The pictures are fantastic. Being on the property, the feel, the drive up, the service. When we add to this our 10X management, our 10X experience, this is an investment that if you're accredited, if you're patient, if you're a long-term investor, if you're interested in protecting your capital, if you're interested in cash flow, if you're interested in long-term appreciation and big tax write-offs, make sure you text me 305-407-0276, 305-407-0276. Don't be surprised if I don't take your call. Be ready to invest on this deal. This will go fast. I'm really, really proud of this. Congratulations to everybody that invested in our last deal in Houston. I'm bringing you another one. Don't miss this one.